everyone, welcome to the second episode of Web3 in China on Conflux. Today, we're at a very special office, the office from our ecosystem project, Starbitech. And today with me is John, the CEO and founder of Starbitech and Zverse. Hello.
Hey Chris, hey guys, I'm very glad to be here.
Yeah, super happy to have you here today. Can you give us a quick introduction about yourself, your background, and Starbitech?
Sure, I'm John, founder of the Starbitech. My partner Shirley and myself have a professional background in the fintech industry with a specialization in banking and security. Those experiences also brought us a deeper understanding of compliance, which has especially helpful when we starting Starbitech in China. Starbitech is a technology company offering a SaaS service for the metaverse and the digital asset. We call NFT as a service, NAS, committed to providing compliance Web3 service for individuals and enterprise in China. We specialize in digital asset creation, distribution, development, and more. Our business includes metaverse marketing, membership operation, digital tech, and IP derivatives. Advantage of our NAS is helping our partners to deploy metaverse and the digital assets solution quickly, cost effectively, and compliant. Yes.
Oh, John, that's super cool. Thanks a lot for the introduction. Can you share the moment when you realized that NFTs have a future in China and the moment where you said, okay, I want to start my own business in this space?
Okay. As we all know, the NFT market was extremely trading last year. However, the Chinese market is massive but developed in a very slow pace due to the illegal issues of cryptocurrencies. In my opinion of view, NFT has more commodity attributes in comparison to pure cryptocurrency like ERC20s. Also, traditional internet company like Google, like Facebook, they have more concerns in the compliant Web3 space, especially in China. Because I have been a crypto fan since 2015, I was confident that my background and my team's background and knowledge are suitable to start Bitconnect. Yeah.
Oh, thanks so much. I mean, you've already mentioned that many big companies are afraid to actually go into Web3 because of the regulatory compliant things, and especially in China, right? So can you share some information based on your expertise? What are some main differences between NFTs in China and NFTs outside of China?
Okay, as we all know, NFTs and users overseas are anonymous. The payment medium is mainly ERC20s crypto like ETH, BTC, or USDT, and the website service are multinational. So there is no need to meet the laws and the regulations of a single country or region. For example, financial and trade-related laws, taxes, and settlement issues. However, in China it's different, especially on the mainland. User registration requires KYC, and the payment medium must be RMB or digital RMB like DCEP. The core reason for the illegality of public chain is that the Chinese exchange control system and the public fundraising without permission. Unlike other countries, China has no capital gain tax. Normally, foreign capital is imported or exported through the approval system. But tax is tax, if the application running in the public chain can meet the compliance needs in China, it will be legal, I think. Like the internet have both Google and Darknet. And the essence of cryptocurrency based on the public chain is to bypass the relevant mechanism, which leads to the money laundering. So cryptocurrency cannot be legal in China. It's very important to highlight that RMB-based transaction must meet the Chinese laws or regulation, so that NFT can be used as a digital product in China to achieve effective transactions. The permission is to pay taxes and prevent illegal money laundering, and continue to meet the financial cleaning and settlement mechanism. Yes.
Oh, thank you. That's a lot of details, especially when it comes to being fully regulated within this space, right? That's something that with OpenSea or any other platforms that on Ethereum or other chains is unthinkable, right? But it's happening here in China, and you guys are one of the 4 leaders for that, right? I'm showing people how it's done, how to be fully regulated. And I think for that reason, that's also why you guys have so many partners, right? From small enterprises to national enterprises here in China. So can you please share some information about Starbitech and Zverse, maybe also some of your partners that you have been collaborating with, and also maybe some small partnerships that you have been developing?
Yes. So right now, we have millions of users with KYC and dozens of enterprise partners. Our partners include government agencies, state-owned enterprises, and listed companies. Some examples are like LVMH, PwC, China Merchants Bank, Polyculture, Jing'an branch of Shanghai Police, Shanghai Technology Exchange, and many others. We have issued more than 6 million NFTs through our SaaS platform for our partners as well for right now. Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Wow. And these are very strong partners. You from banks to the local police to LVMH and PwC.
Yeah.
Right. I think 2 companies that people can relate to more. One is LVMH, Louis Vuitton's mother company and the holdings company, and the other one is PwC, one of the big 4 consulting companies. Can you please share more information about these 2 specific collaborations?
Sure. LVMH, they wanted to send out their 2022 anniversary gift to their management under the motto sustainability, and we delivered. And with PwC, we pushed taxes and audit solution focused on ensuring compliant NFTs in China for enterprise and individual customers. More than dozens of enterprises are currently using it already. Yeah.
So the PwC use case you just mentioned is very cool, right? Because you guys are actively building something towards bringing the whole industry more regulated, and also proposing a standard that people and alliances can use, right? This actually brings me to the next question, right? Especially in China, you have different options to choose from. You have alliance chains, or you have Conflux network as the only public blockchain. I'd love to know why you, in specific, chose Conflux network as the place and the blockchain where you are developing your solutions.
Okay. In my opinion, the public chain is similar to the internet protocols like HTTP. However, the alliance chain or the private chain are basically an enterprise database. So I think if our business is only to be software service, I will not hesitate to use the alliance chain. If my business is to C application service, such as NFTs, I will always choose the public chain. There will be business risk of financial fundraise by using alliance chains, because after the user purchased the digital products, the alliance chain cannot achieve real digital product delivery. Just like you buy a TV in the supermarket, but the TV must be placed on the supermarket instead of delivering to your house. And as time goes by, if the supermarket stops operating, and the TV you bought will also be lost. It's not reasonable, because you pay for it, but you don't own it, right? However, the public chain will not have such problems as long as financial problems such as foreign exchange control and illegal fundraising are solved. The public chain will be the best infrastructure for digital asset to be implemented. In conclusion, I'm very optimistic about the development of the Chinese digital economy. China has world-class engineers and a large base of talents. It has an excellent market with a good policy and a great atmosphere for the digital economy. As time progresses, the DCEP will also become more adopted. It is the best underlying payment asset for the regulated metaverse applications. We believe China will have local NFT marketplace like OpenSea in the future, and that must be meet local regulations, and I think it will be open to the world. And our team, we are working hard towards a well-regulated and innovative environment, entire Web3 industry to enjoy. Thank you.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and thank you John for being here with us today.
Thank you.